of that indigenous peoples program. And in that program, Qatar sir has shared and submitted his statement to the United Nations office. Those articles which has been not implemented in India, and on top of that, in Karbi Anglong and Demansau, apart from the land struggle and many other struggles, the constitutional struggle, there is Articles 244A, which has to be implemented since 1969, but it has been never implemented by the government of India. That statement has also been submitted in the UN office by our President Sajjay Qatar. So he will also address in his speech regarding all his struggle and then his movement towards the nation and also to the UN office. So now we will do. Anyone would like to sing a song, indigenous song, not Western song. Manilun Mandima. Mobile long, eh? Lumba Thari. Laptop and flaming. Mr. Samon, I would like to call Mr. Samon and play one indigenous song. It is sung by our Qatar sir, and it's always available in YouTube. So the name of the song is Jamir Anglong Athare. So we'll have a visual view as well as a song on the screen for 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. Okay. After the slideshow, we will have a speech from Pranav Dole and be ready for that.